Hey guys, Thunder E here, and I've got an awesome video for you here today. Now, I've gone ahead and partnered with Samsung, and when they reached out to me, they had one simple question. They said, Thunder E, how would you use a 5G device? And I went, come on guys, I'm a gamer. I love to game, so I'm gonna game on this device. And for me, that device is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Now, it's a lovely looking device. I've got it in Mystic Bronze. It looks fantastic. It's also got a 6.8-inch display, 120 Hertz, which means as a gamer, that is truly awesome. A 4500 milliamp battery. So we've got enough battery life to handle our gameplay sessions. Powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. It's a 5G processor. We've got the connectivity we need. And don't forget, it's got cameras that shoot in 8K and of course 50x zoom. So there's a lot this device packs in, but we're talking about gaming on the go with 5G here, right? What can we actually do? Now, you guys know I love to game, and I game on my Xbox, and I was happy to see that Samsung and Microsoft partnered together to bring Xbox Game Pass to my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which means I can now take my device and game on the go. That is truly amazing. So I said, you know what, let's just go ahead and do it, right? Picked up my Note 20 Ultra, took my Razor Keysheet controller, and we went on a stroll. We went to go check it out. And the first thing you notice is the speeds. It is truly fast. Over 1700 megabits per second in terms of speeds. That is faster than my home internet. Yeah, it is faster than what I use. Wow. I mean, that is impressive. But what that means is when you game, you've just got great connectivity to your games, which means I can access Game Pass and I can start gaming. And I can tell you how smooth it is and how fast the games ran and how it was a great experience. But you know what? I'll just show you how it was gaming on the go with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Take a look. Again, it was truly impressive, guys. Really impressive to be able to take my Xbox gaming on the go. I could be outside, just outside, and I can game, play my Xbox games. That is just, it's a great experience. It's hard for me to even just describe it properly, but it is a great experience. Now you can do more on this device than just, of course, game. You've got the ability to record 8K content, which I did, but I was also able to download some older content really fast because, of course, of those fast speeds onto my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And you can also download your shows really quickly so you can watch content instead of just gaming like I do. Now, Samsung has a ton of 5G capable devices on all the carriers, but for me, that device is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. So I'm gonna leave you with one simple question, guys. What would you do with a 5G device, and how would you use it? Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.